Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to enable developer mode on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on About Phone. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on Software Information. Now from here, just tap on the build number a few times until you enable developer options. Now from here, just enter your screen lock password and tap on OK. Now once you have enabled developer options, just go back. Now just scroll down and tap on developer options. Now as you can see, this is how you can enable developer options on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.